what's going on? This is Jeremy at ibl.ai, and today I'll be showing one of our newest features, the flagged prompt feature. This basically allows administrators, faculty, whoever may be overseeing the Mentor AI platform for the users within their cohort to see any potentially harmful, sensitive, or policy relevant inputs that users may have submitted to the mentor that fall outside the bounds of the moderation prompt for this mentor. So any information that would be potentially harmful to the institution, potentially harmful just in general in nature, or something that just falls outside the scope of what the mentor is supposed to do and the questions that it's supposed to answer. So for the purpose of this demonstration, I'm showing you the Email Writer AI mentor. This is one that I use very frequently to put together new emails for people that we're currently speaking with. So I've gone ahead and edited the moderation prompt, which you can do by selecting the drop-down menu in the left-hand corner where you see the mentor's name that you're currently interacting with. This will open the entire drop-down menu of back-end settings for this mentor. So we're going to open Safety. And when we do that, you can see that the moderation prompt for this agent has been enabled. It is active and on. And within the moderation prompt, I said to the mentor, any prompt that is not specifically related to crafting follow-up emails is deemed inappropriate. Otherwise, it is deemed appropriate. So basically, any question that I ask this mentor that falls beyond the scope of just crafting emails, be it follow-ups, new outreach, whatever it may be, is outside the scope of conversation, and each one of those prompts will be flagged. So the way that this works is I'm going to ask a general question that falls outside the scope of email writing. What is the weather like in Boston today? Perfect. So the mentor is not going to respond to this. It falls beyond the scope, and you'll see a notification right here in the lower right-hand corner. Sorry about that. Please keep the conversation within the bounds of what the agent is tasked to do, and per your platform's rules, please try again or contact us. So mentor is not responding. That's the first key in this operation. But you, as an administrator, can then come in to the Safety tab here and view all the flagged prompts from the users within your cohort to kind of get some insights on what kind of questions beyond the scope of moderation are being asked, and if you need to have any kind of direct follow-ups with your users. If there's potentially harmful information that might be worth checking in on, this is one way that you can see insight into what's being asked, what kind of harmful information, and who's asking those questions. Just one more step of safety and accountability that we want to make available to all people using the platform, be it universities, companies, whoever it may be. So thank you so much for tuning in. As always, learn more at ibl.ai and have a lovely Thanksgiving.